Today we are looking at this pseudocode to find the resultant answer. Uh, so firstly, consider A, B, C. A stores the value of 3 initially, B stores the value of 5 initially, and C stores the value of 4 initially. Now, at this point, C is getting updated with 5 XOR 2. 5 in binary is represented as 101 and 2 is represented as 010. According to XOR, if one bit is 1 and the other bit is 0, then the resultant will be 1. The both bits are same, then the resultant will be 0. So hence here we get 111, which is equal to 7, and we need to add A to the 7, that leads to 10. So C value becomes 10. Now when we enter this this for loop, this C is different from this C. So the local C is basically the global variable value 10, and the local value will be 3. Now B equal to A plus 9. A is 3 and plus 9 12, and we need to perform AND with 3. 12 means 12 represented as 1100 and 3 is represented as 11, and AND will be 1. AND result will be 1 if both the bits are 1. So here the resultant will be 0. So B value at present is 0. A equal to 3 and A, 1 1 is 3 and A value is also 3. So the resultant will be 1 1. A value is 3. When we come to this point, B equal to C XOR B, where C is 3, 3 XOR 1 1 XOR B value is 0. Anything XOR 0 will be the same value, so 3 XOR 0 will be 3 plus 3 will be 6. A equal to 13 and 3. 13 value is 1 1 0 1 and 3. As the 2 bits here is 1, the resultant will be 1 and the remaining will be 0. So A value here is 1. Update the A value 1. Next for the C value becomes 4 locally. B equal to A plus 9. A is 1. 10. 1010 is represented in binary as 10. And C value is 4 100. When we perform AND, this will result in 0, and update B with 0 again, and B equal to C XOR B. B is 0, anything XOR 0 is itself, so C will be 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So again B is updated with 8, and A equal to 5 plus 8 13. 13 and we missed this. 3 and 1 is 1, so update this with 1, and now come to this point. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 is represented as 1101 and A is represented as 1, so the end of this is results in 1, so A again remains 1. So when we come to C, the loop C value will be 5 locally, and A plus 9 is 10. 10 means 1010, and C value is 5 101. No, both bits at any position 2 bits are not 1, so the resultant value will be 0 again. So update B with 0, and at this position 3 and A is 1 1 1 and 0 1, it results in 1. Update the A value with 1. A equal to 5 plus 8 and A, oh yeah, this step. B equal to C XOR B. Again B is 0 and C is 5. Anything XOR C is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. At last the value of B is 10. The value of C is 10. And this at this step 13 and A. 13 and a 1 1 0 1 and a is 1. Performing AND operation for these two numbers results in 1. So at last, after the finishing of loop, a value also remains 1. So we need to return a plus b. A plus b is 1 plus 10 equals to 11. So the option will be